Absolutely. Let's analyze the chart to identify potential support and resistance levels. Analysis of the provided chart. Time frame, 30-minute chart, M30, of gold Xauusd CFDs. Current price, approximately $2,945.09, as indicated by the price at 416. Trend. The chart shows an overall upward trend, with a series of higher highs and higher lows. This suggests bullish momentum. Candlestick patterns. We can see a mix of bullish green and bearish red candles. The recent price action shows a series of bullish candles, reinforcing the upward trend. Identifying support and resistance. Resistance. $2,950. This level is a clear psychological resistance. The price has approached this level multiple times and has seen some consolidation around it. If the price breaks above this level with strong volume, it could signal further upward movement. $2,965. This is the highest visible price on the chart and can act as a stronger resistance. Support. $2,940. This level has acted as a support in the recent price action. The price bounced off this level, indicating buying interest. $2,935. This level also shows signs of acting as a support. $2,925. Looking at the chart, we can see that this level has been a strong support. $2,900. This is a major psychological support level and a level that the price has bounced off of. Suggestions for potential long buy positions. Consider entering a long position if the price breaks above the $2,950 resistance with strong volume. Place a stop-loss order below the nearest support level, e.g., $2,940 or $2,935, to manage risk. For potential short sell positions, a short position could be considered if the price fails to break above $2,950 and shows signs of reversal. Place a stop-loss order above the resistance level to limit potential losses.